I really believe that the ABA is on the absolute right track in order to retain and bring in membership. It starts with the HR professionals that are out there each and every day doing the work. And it then extends to those next gen people, the folks that have the skill set and the learnings in the baking industry, but not the experience level that some of our old, mature bakers have. We've got to teach. We've got to teach, and we need to teach people that understand the market that's out there. There's so much more to do in bakery than just bake. There are multiple jobs and multiple levels of skills that will help the industry grow. And in order for us to continue and allow it to grow, we've got to bring in the mindset, the skill set, and the folks that understand what's out there in the workforce today.